Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So, on the daily time frame, I mean, the trend is definitely still down. We do not have a breaker structure yet. We are bouncing from the 78% fib, but I mean, really, that doesn't really tell us anything. If today's candle closes, bullish engulfing, then maybe we can start looking for long starting next week. But for now, the trend is definitely still very heavily down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, keeping that in mind, what do? We put our Fibonacci retracement at the last where the last series of lower lows, lower highs starts, which is right here. Then we look for three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level and then a golfing move to the downside. If we get that, then we definitely want to continue to look for shorts because the trend is down on the daily. On the other hand, like I said, if today just keeps on going up and it never breaks to the downside, but eventually breaks to the upside, which for me would be way up here right now, or engulfing up on the daily, then we'll just keep on looking for longs starting on Monday. But for now, we are definitely looking at this move up as a possible pullback to the last wave down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.